the Iberia. Then in the past they called the Iberia. It was like state of ancient Georgia. Okay, and this town exists as a capital of Iberia until the 5th century. After the 5th century, it was removed from here to the Tbilisi, and Tbilisi is now the Georgian capital. Yeah, but still, the Mtskheta didn't lose his, actuality and because significance because of its churches medieval time, which was built from the 6th century throughout the centuries, many centuries. 10th century, for example, Svetitskhoveli. We will now enter inside of this church and we will explore of this historical place, this burial of the Georgian kings also as well, and it keeps the stones keeps of many of the interesting history, like baptizing Christianity, scenes of Christianity, like rituals of which consist the Christianity church. Okay, yeah, we will see also the constructions of the houses, living houses here. It looks like the similar of the all of houses here. It was reconstructed in the 20th century. All of them are similar. And after our tour here town, we go to the drive to the up of hills there over there. There, we will see the church of Juari. Yeah, you see from here the Juari, which is also a historical place. Yeah, which was built here in the 7th century. Juari is a typical of Georgian traditional church architecture. It's a first example, I will say the first example of how was constructed in Orthodox church in Georgia. Like this is the example.
This is
first.
Orthodox?
Yeah, Orthodox church of Georgia. It was constructed. It's first example, we call in language, architectural language, tetraconch. Tetraconch is like four square, like square and like cross. All the corner is the same, similar, exact size. Yes, because of tetraconch is from the Greek language tetraconch. Yeah. Okay, just we enter into the town. There is a many shops They don't like to go outside. They like that? Yeah, exactly. Well, no, why? Because in the evening they are going. Yeah.
Otherwise, it's they stay inside.
Otherwise, they inside. Oh, it's Amome watching. Guys, let's go. Let's go. We are now going to the who wants to take the Yes. Both homemade and manufactured, but they are not listening. Please, guys, follow me, please. Just one more.
Wine ice cream.
Who want to taste the wine? Inside, who don't want? He staying outside. Okay? Here, please.
Tasty coffee, don't have tasty coffee. Hot white, hot
Oh, shut up.
ജോർജ് നന്നാണ്.
George.
आर्मी पर साक्ष्य मुझको सुगा कैसे बोली आली.
Вот такой.
What is this on the right?
Now exactly we are going inside. Church. There is a church. Medieval church in the old time.
When you start at discount, sharp cashmere, sharp
This way, guys. Where are you going? Look at me. Look at me always.
Horse riding.
Who's the Rogers? Kamokli Lidowa. Okay, we are guys. Come here. Coming here, please. I think of churches or something. I will say
What was it? Information.
Tourist information, no, but I mean
The sign.
swastika sign. It's an old pagan times swastika, you know, sign. It's a symbolic, which is symbolize the circadian rhythm. Okay, the circle of life, like we call with the borjalo. This sign we have the coins Georgian lari, tetri. In this tetri there is all of tetri this symbols sign. Okay, it's an old pagan times symbol. It's the oldest one, which we have this borjalo, this word, the Georgian word, which also translated into from the Georgian language toponym. This toponym like Borj, Gala. It's like making something with the ground, you know, the land with the land. Yeah, to agricultural site also like this one. Yeah, this is the oldest swastika we have also, which we meet on the facade on the wall of the churches, medieval time churches. Yeah, inside we shall now go and explore this church. This church we call Svetitskhoveli is a semi-pillar. If we translate it from the Georgia, it's a semi-pillar, life-pillar giving. Life-giving pillar. Yeah, life-giving pillar. Church. We call it Svetitskhoveli. It's translated like life-giving pillar. Okay? Okay, just to go inside. Inside, you can take the video inside church.
Can.
Huh?
Can.
You can?
Yeah.
But there is not. Maybe.
How many years?
Now we can